Hola everyone, it's me Yoj, and thank you so much for joining today. I think this is gonna be my official vlog as a fashion makeup student. My instructor already sent the list of our second day of school requirements, so we are going to pack it here in my artist kit. So if you're interested what am I going to pack for tomorrow's lesson, stay and watch. Tomorrow's lesson will be hygiene, skincare, and basic makeup. When you open it, yes, it comes with 4 container makeup bags like this one. It's transparent so that you will see what's in there. So you got 4 of that, and it has a very stable divider here in the center. So we asked us to send some important skincare products. So that will be toner, moisturizer, and primer. Grab 1 bag. So I have cotton pads here. However, this is too bulky and very big. I am going to transfer here in this container. It really doesn't fit, but I'm going to make sure that it will fit. I don't think that I will use a lot of cotton pads tomorrow. There, and in the future, I will be buying more containers. So, this is gonna be for the cotton pads. So, I will be having 2 toners for tomorrow. This is for brightening and this is for balancing the pH. For the moisturizer and moisturizer primer, I will be bringing this Dermatologica moisturizer. It claims that it has 48 hours of hydration and it's very important for dry skin clients. So I'll be bringing this as a moisturizer or a moisturizer slash primer. And for sensitive clients, I'll be bringing a mallow sensitive cream. This is from actually this is a new product from Nature Republic on their herbology collection. So this is good for sensitive skin. I'll be bringing extra, of course. This is the Dark Zero Eye Cream from Nestific. This is very important also if needed, so I'll just bring it just in case that our instructor if we will discuss eye cream related topics. And I have a serum that is super trusted and proven that works on all skin type, the Innisfree Green Tea Serum. Since we will be doing a lot of makeup tomorrow, cleansing balm is very important. Additional things that I will be bringing to sanitize all of my tools and all of my makeup after I will use it will be the Deviant Beauty Sanitizer and also Nippon Cosmetic Sanitizer. I decided to separate my hygiene and my skincare. I'll get the other bag. So my hygiene tools will be here. And my skincare will be here. Now we're moving on to makeup, and he said that we will be bringing a nude palette with black, brown, maroon matte, and champagne shimmers, and of course makeup brushes, complete set, blush, liquid foundation, press or loose powder, lipstick, matte or sheer. Oh my god, do I have sheer? That I don't know yet, but let me check. Brow pencil, brow gel, or brow powder. Let's see. Nude palettes that I will be bringing is my Cebuana eyeshadow palette. It has blacks, all the nudes, mattes, and shimmer. And then I will support it with my Davawenya eyeshadow palette. And of course, this is a very good one. This is creamy. It's quite cheap. I got it from Shopee. I think I only got it for 150. It has all of the Korean and Japanese colors that mostly they use, from the lightest to the darkest. It's also a combination of matte and shimmers. And Nubian 2 by Juvias. So it has shimmer and darker shade for darker clients. So of course, shameful promotion. This is my Locayoj brushes, 18 premium. So I will be introducing this to my class tomorrow. And I'm super proud. And I hope they will buy from me. So this is 18. We've touched up a lesson history and the things that is very important. And I pretty much have all of this for a beginner makeup artist or a fashion makeup student. So if you're interested, shopee.ph/locayoj. By the way, if you buy my brushes, it comes with this. This is a free cylinder case. For the blush, I'll be bringing a liquid blush. This is from NARS, Dolce Vita, and then Juvia's Serafina, and then the Saharan Blush Volume 2. It has everything for all skin type. Liquid foundation. I have a lot and I need to learn a lot. Of course, MAC. I am NC 25. And the favorite of everyone, Maybelline. So this is their 24-hour full coverage foundation, perfect for pageant makeups. So I will be bringing the shade 128 and 312. I usually combine this two for my skin color, and I still need to learn a lot if I'm going to accept client. To those who want a glowy skin-like color, this is Sima's medium. And I might be bringing my other shades. I have Punjabi, because this is really famous for Morena. This is their longwear foundation from NARS. And another one, this is your tinted moisturizer from NARS. The shade that I got is Light 2 Alaska. And lastly, my Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Long Foundation. I think this is super sheer. This is 521 bronze, so it's also for a lighter morena. Applications of liquid foundation also depends on events, so I have lots of questions. Press powder. I only have two certain products, and both are from Maybelline, and they're already crusty. I've been using it. I'm sorry. So this is my light. This is 04 Honey, as you can see. Very well used. So this is my pressed powder. And the other one, you can just buy this in Watson's. This is the, yeah, it's similar. They're both 04 Honey on a different collection. So this is the only pressed powder that I have as of now, as of a student. So this is what we will be using tomorrow. And for loose powder, I have two from Easy & Co. One is a translucent mattifying finish, while the other one is just a translucent finish. So for brow products, we're required to bring brow pencil, brow gels, and I have brow powders here, and then some brow refiner from Easy & Co. Lipstick. I have to admit, I don't have an updated lipstick. Most of my lipsticks here are, it's either an old type of shade, like it's not updated, like it's not new. That's why I'm going back to school, because I have to know what's latest, what's in. So we are required to bring a matte and a shimmer lipstick. Let me get one. For matte lipstick, I'll be bringing Ever Belena Dust. This is matte finish. It looks satin here, but if you apply it on your lips, it turns into matte. And then powder matte type. This is from Sunny's. This is from their first collection. This is the shade Girl Crush. It was really famous when it came out. So that's gonna for my matte. And for my sheer, it would be the Plumping Lip Gloss from MAC. And this one is from Miniso. You think it has color, but when you put it in your lips, it turns into sheer. And other things, satin type, and then matte satin, and then another liquid. This liquid is powder to matte, so I will be bringing this because I have questions on how to properly apply these things. So as you can see, there are really a lot of type of lipstick and different ingredients and materials and how they perform, but I want to learn more. So this is the only few lipsticks that I have. I haven't upgraded yet or bought new lipstick, so this is are all my basic lipstick that I use every time I do makeup. The more I will learn, I know I'll be buying more and I will share it to you guys. For concealer, I'll be bringing my Conceal and Correct Contour by NYX, and also a full coverage one, but it's a color corrector type for those redness. And the famous for dailies, of course, the Fit Me Sun 20. This is gonna be for the concealer. Mascara. I only have two favorite mascara, and that would be our Hyper Curl and our Halsey's Lash Lift. Both from Maybelline, so both drugstore. I love them. It's quite affordable and easy to find if you want to restock. That is very, very important if you are doing clients. Yes, I know I don't know how to organize it yet in here because I usually put my makeup on my drawer. So this is the first time that I will be bringing them. So I will just stack them like a Tetris, like playing Tetris. There. And I think I will be putting my pens here. Primers will be considered here in the base. And other makeup brushes that is my favorite, I'll be putting it here. So I'll be bringing my personal favorites. So this one from Picasso, I usually use this for skincare, but it's also good for foundation. This one too, but mostly skincare. As you can see, it's dirty. I still have to clean them. And very precise pencil brush. Small and thick eyebrows. I mean, brow brush with different types of ends here, and flat for hair-like strokes. And my favorite Morphe blending brushes. This is E27 and M02. So these two are my favorite, but I still have to clean these ones, and I'll be bringing them to tomorrow. I'm back. So for fluffy brushes should have brush guard like that. So I'll add brush guard to this, there, and it will stay in place. No, I just put them on the side. Oh, it won't work. Wait. I'll put it here. And then this one will be here in front. Okay. Now let's add the eyeshadow palettes. I will put them here because it's more secure. I think that's it. Our fashion makeup bag kit for our hygiene, skincare, and basic makeup lessons for today is ready. See you tomorrow.